focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and accept.
It's my Sonia.
Let's go.
Open the door. Say hi.
Hi.
Sir?
Good morning, sir.
Yes? Let me try. Let's go.
Hi guys, as you can see, I'm going out with my mama, and here I'm not forgetting this because this is our umbrella, because this place is too sunny. Like seriously, Port Harcourt is hot, very hot.
Whatever.
Here.
Why did you clean your shoe? Did you remove the key from the bag?
No.
Remove it. Yeah, I love it. Jam and break. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another beautiful vlog. Good morning, sir. Chai, sorry, 2 days now, I never charged for you. Okay, sir. Anyways, guys, we're going out. Yeah, going out. We're going to be doing some few things, school runs. So today I'm going to register her in the school she's going to start on Thursday. And guys, see how my face is. It's like that moisturizing is working on. That's hydration stuff. Anyways, when I come back, I'll show you guys the product I got, but it's very expensive. Like, I cried yesterday buying that product. Tears dropped from my eyes. I was only encouraged by my baby. Anyways, you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog, and yeah, see you later. Push it inside. So yes, guys, we are on our way, and you guys are going to be enjoying this vloggy, vlogger. We just finished from the school now, and we're heading back to the house. See who is going to start school soon. See this person. You cannot read and say good morning.
No.
Slippers for you. Dry pepper.
You have pepper.
We'll still have more. So guys, we are back, and this is our school stuffs. Yeah, this is fine. Guys, we are ready to go to school. We are ready. Say hi.
Hi guys, good morning.
Guys, see our sportswear. She says it's like a balloon. Is this not what I call mumuriti or what? I don't even know what to say, Seth. Anyways, let's take some pictures. This big mama said I should buy a toy for her. So I bought these cute babies. Cute rabbit. This one is your gown.
Okay.
Bought some. See guys, fruits. Yes, our table jack pack. For school bag, guys. I love this school bag. The cute bed spray, baby girl bed spray for her. Pink. Then I got this for myself and hubby. Open this one. Got this lunch box, guys. This is the cheapest lunch box my hand can fix on right now. Imagine lunch box they could call thousands of naira, but anyways, this can go. Stuffs as well. This is ugu. Use it and prepare vegetable sauce that she'll take to school tomorrow. She's resuming school tomorrow, guys. This one is fresh pepper. Be careful because of that beans, so one day I'll cook beans and give you. This one is onions, guys. This onions is 1,000 naira. Like, it's a lot. I'm so happy that onions is cheap now because onions is my best. Imagine, onions is my best, so I'm so happy. All these onions like this, 1,000 naira. My fresh tomato. The thing don't scatter safe. It don't press. Fresh tomato for making sauce for tomorrow's school. And what else? What's that? Potato. I did not go to that place I used to do share because I was already tired. Spices, Sonia tomatoes, Maggi, and every other stuff is here. And then this is our beans, 1 custard of beans. What's inside again? Okay, our red oil. And we got red oil. We don't have red oil again, guys. So yeah, these are the things we bought. I will decide to show you guys. What's that? What's falling? Okay, we also bought shaving stick. So we bought oranges for fruit. We bought orange. We bought paw, and then we bought cherry, Mrs. Cherry. Anyway, so we're going to be packing all of this. Madam, stand up now. Old onions that we'll have. So we're going to pack this one down because you'll finish it. Oh yeah, put these other onions. Put the new one inside first. Ah, 1K. See my 1K. I'm so happy. The onions is big and it's very dry. Like, then we'll put this one up. So we'll use these ones first. This one is done. This one is spices. We have bag for spices. Tomato. Ugu leaf. Leave it. Don't put it inside. Pepper. Oh yeah. Bring that our red oil container. Let's pour this oil. So I've turned my beans. So come and carry. You finish it. Go and drop it. Oh yeah. Come and carry. Take. Yeah, cool. Are you going to write all this name today?
Yes.
When you write that one, you pack the remainder and put inside. Later, you do that one. Oh yeah, arrange everything inside your school bag first. Later, pack all the school books and put it inside your school bag. Don't forget to collect your textbook from that mama.
You're not follow me to school, okay?
I'll follow you to school and do what?
Okay, no, I don't say you follow me to school.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
I'll follow you tomorrow now. I'll try my best to be a good woman. After tomorrow. And tomorrow you'll be leading me. You'll be okay. Like one loss. That's all, ba? Yes. Zip it first and keep one side. Carry this lunch bag and add. How will you put cooler inside? Did you put food today? My baby's first day at school. Say hi. And look at how she's dressed. She said she don't want to carry lunch bus, but the mama in me will not allow. See her hair. I dressed this hair. Yeah, we are good to go. You cannot greet and say good morning.
Mom.
Ah, it's your student is ready. Where your lunch box?
Titi.
Where? Bye. Come and carry your money for socks.
Thank you.
Guys, we are ready to go to school. We are ready. Say hi.
Hi guys, good morning.
Guys, see our sportswear. She says it's like a balloon.
See.
Is this not what I call mumuriti or what? I don't even know what to say, Seth. Anyways, let's take some pictures. So now, so they announce this thing boldly, Abby. When they say you anoint yourself.
If you see.
Stay there. Destiny, why did you anoint yourself so boldly like this?
So that they should see that I carry the sign of the cross now.
It's too big now. Reduce it small. Wear that wristwatch now. So if you not anoint yourself boldly like this, they will not see that you carry sign of the cross.
So the Holy Ghost should follow me.
You rub lip gloss.
Yes.
Is it lip gloss I say you should rub?
Huh?
This girl don't go. Guys, if you know what is in this bag, we have a lot of varieties in this lunch bag.
Let me open it.
Don't open it. And tomorrow, but tomorrow you not take plenty like this. Yes, my daughter. I move.
Bye-bye. I'm off.
Study to show yourself approved.
Okay. Bye-bye. You got to. What is that?
How many you carry?
Huh?
How many you carry?
2.
Why you no carry more?
2.
Carry one, we go give that your friend yesterday.
I'll give her for now.
Do well and be a good girl at school.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.